guys, it's Missy. I'm going to show you guys how to dress fantasy golf. There's a difference between fantasy golf and fairy golf. Fantasy golf, you're dressing with like the fancy logos, kind of like this. And fairy golf, you're actually dressing like, I'm not dressing up as this girl. The fancy like the skull, but I do the logo. So basically, fairy golf is more like a costume, and this is more like a dressing style. So yeah, so first you're gonna need like a fancy logo, like this cool skull person, or like a sugar skull, a dark fairy, like a willow tree, something dark yet lighter. Like you wouldn't do like a blade or like a light dark thing. You know what I mean? But yeah, like a dark angel or something. First, you can do basically any type of hair. I'm just gonna keep my hair wavy, but obviously you brush it first. If you want to keep your hair wavy like I'm doing mine, I suggest to add texture and shorter layers, you use dry shampoo. Like, just gonna put my camera up here so you guys can see me better. Yeah, but. And then you're gonna do some of this for the summer. It's a very good summer look, the dark fantasy golf, because you're not wearing as much black. So like it's easier in the summer. So I'm using this SPF, but fountain moisturizer. Because if you're gonna go out in the sun, you should probably use this. Because it also is a moisturizer. It's not like you're putting sun lotion on your face, which gives your makeup like a weird look. So I have tablet because sometimes my phone goes out. Okay, and then the top, on this part of the eye, you're gonna put this. It's like a pink white. It looks like a white from distance, but if you look right there, it's a pinkish white. It's like a pearlescent white. You can put it right there. There's all different colors, so you just need to like find the color and how. Like if there's a darker lid, you could always do it in blue and then blue-white on top of it. Yeah, so you can change it around too. Okay, and now on your face, on your cheeks, you can put this because it brightens up your cheeks and makes you look more awake. And then, and right away put up really high the white. And then under it, gonna put a dab of this darker color right here. And this is by Clinique if you don't see. Like right there on your face, a dab of it. And then you can get this. This is just cheap and like CVS and stuff, so it's really easy to get. And since I have a nice blue right here, what we're gonna do for mine, you're gonna kind of like match the colors, as you can put a little bit this, just like 1 inch under the crease right there. And then you're gonna put this on your lid, but not in the corner. You're gonna miss the corner, and you're gonna put this pink in the corner. And then you're gonna put this purple over here. And you can go over it one more time to make it a little darker. And then you're gonna do, for a necklace, you can either, if you want to do a necklace, you can do like a sugar skull like this. And if you just want to do like, and you can also put flower crown. And also I suggest plucking eyebrows, obviously. Alright, and if you want to do like a choker, you could do something with like a flower on it. Personally, I'm going to do the necklace. Like the dark fantasy, the goth fantasy look is kind of like a light goth with kind of like light happy goth, kind of like how like a scene goth, basically. That describes it perfectly. Scene goth. Or how I see it. A lot of people say it as different things. Okay. Oh, and also you can do a dark color on this to like match like blue or purple for blue, and like yellow, white, or dark white, or like yellow, like yeah, and so on. But now you're gonna need this. It's cheap mineral powder. You can just get it at like CVS. And you're gonna put some in here. Then you're gonna rub it in the cap and put it on your cheekbones. Just on your cheekbones. Like this. And then for eyeliner. First I'm gonna naturally do mascara. You're gonna use this for mascara. It's Smoky Extravagant. You can get it at Sephora. You just apply it once because it's really smoky. Or you could apply it twice if you really want to go smoky. And you're going to do a dot on the bottom. Just like literally dot it. And then, now you're going to do some of this. You can just get at CVS on your lips. It's just CoverGirl. And this one is #tweetme 225. You're gonna need a red like this for fancy though. And now you're gonna do this eyeliner, Physicians Formula. It's not a cheap one, but you can still get it at CVS. It's like one of the more expensive CVS brands, like one of the good CVS brands. And you're gonna put on your eyes, but you're gonna miss the corners on this side. And I'll show you why in a bit. Then you're going to do bottom. Then you have to do the other eye, obviously. And you have to redip it if it's time to run out, obviously. Okay. And it's eyeshadow drips, so you're going to want to do this like every hour or something. Especially when you put on a lot of makeup. And then you're going to get, this is just from Sephora.